What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Bart Simpson. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the left eye. I'm going to start at the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the nose in underneath the eye along the bottom right. So we're going to start out here, start with a straight line going out, round out the nose, and then bend that back in. Now I want to draw that same size circle over on the right side, tucked in behind the eye and the nose. So we're going to start up here, going up towards the same height, round out the eye, and then pull that in towards the tip of the nose. Let's add the pupils. In the center of the left eye, we're going to move out, draw a circle, and fill that in black. Let's go to the center of the right eye, move over slightly, and draw that again. Now we're going to work our way down across the face. Underneath the right eye, bend this down and then out, round this out, and come across the mouth and pull that up. Just going to line this up with the edge of the eye. On the end, let's add a bracket. Now halfway across the mouth, right in the center, we're going to draw the lip, coming down and then in, and then bend this down and out toward the bottom. Let's round out the base of the neck, coming down and then up towards the left. Now I'm going to follow this up towards the top in between the eye and the mouth and draw a C shape for the ear. And then we'll add a fold along the inside. Start with a curve, and then in the middle, bend this out. From the back of the neck, I'm going to tuck this up underneath the ear. Let's continue along the top, going up. We'll give it a slight bend out toward the top of the head. Now let's go back on top of the right eye along the outside. We're going to bend the brow, going out and then in, go straight up, and then bend that out towards the same height. Now I'm going to line the top of the head with a series of spikes going up in the middle. So let's start back on left. Coming down, up, and then down. Now we're going to repeat this all the way across towards the right. Let's finish off by drawing the side of the body, starting from the base of the neck. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Bart Simpson from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.